Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off the keyboard sound on Samsung S25. In order to do it, you should go to the settings. Now, let's go to the sounds and vibration and go to system sound. Now you'll find Samsung keyboard. You can disable the sound of it, and now it's not annoying anymore. Your keyboard is silent, and I really like that option when the keyboard is silent, because you don't really need to hear your keyboard, do you? And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.